guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title already, I'm gonna be straightening my hair today. So I'm not gonna talk throughout this video because I can't concentrate with blow drying and straightening my hair at the same time, and I'll be really pissed off if my hair doesn't come out right. So I'll put all the stuff that I'm using in the description box down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good.
Then I woke myself up, painted the scene they got. My queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it. In a minute she rolls something that stink good. Feeling haunted the way she goes, then I make eye contact. Both of our tummies making the same tune. Heat up the grill and we filling up with the same food. She a 10 but she fitted with Adidas, a size 9. Somehow it be feeling like we the same shoe. Damn, she really been buttering up the jam. Can me and you cuddle up with the fan blowing thanks? Yeah, I know you worry about the bitches who fan shows, but you was original, hands on it.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good.
I could die like this. Pass me a tab, I could fry like this. Thoughts of the past are the highlight shit. My life's when the sunset, twilight shit. I ain't moving, I'ma lie like this. The rays bright all up in my eyes like shit. Yo, why don't you shut the blinds right quick, so I could doze off, maybe die like this. And I need nothing but good looks. Ass like Trina, she getting them hood looks. God damn, it feels like a Friday, but fuck time. I'ma stay up and light up until the sunshine.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good.
Good evening, I'm good,
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told her fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need.
Can't lie to you guys, I am proper tired right now. My arms ache, but I'm about to go in with my cheese silk infusion all over my hair, and then I'm just gonna straighten it.
CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Look, you know you the baddest in the game. Show you how to blow like Lil Wayne. Baby, I ain't hard to please. Girl, tell me what you need. Year-round Valentine, I'm just tryna get some time with you. Would you spend the night with me? Maybe spend your life with me, check me if I'm trifling. Let me be your bestie. Bonnie and Clyde when we flexing. Baby, we can stand the test of time, and you ain't even got a second guess that you mean the world to me. I travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah. Baby, come and talk to me. Show the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need a plan B, but to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Make me wanna sing. Yeah, make me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid, that's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad, so won't you come and talk to me? Show the sea, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Yeah, music for my soul, classic R&B.
I see, baby, cool with it. Drowning in your love, like a pool with it. Way below the surface, bag in the things. Now you see the inner man. Never swear, no. Baby, come and talk to me. Walk with me. Show them how it ought to be. Hey, yeah. Bring your love back like we order. Yeah, never seen a real, we gon' show
Baby,
them.
come and talk to me. Show the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Show the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me.
Let me know what's on your mind. Let me hold you down, I promise. There's a future if you grind with me. Crazy and love like J&B. It feels good when you say my name. Make me wanna rock the boat. I ain't tryna float, I'm tryna drown, wanna go deep. Never been a scrub or a creep. Ain't no ordinary love. I peep, I keep it on the low. Cause no one really gotta know what we got going on. I'm selfish, I want you all the time. All to myself, no mic jet, but you know the girl is mine.
Baby, come and talk to me. Show the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Show the sea. TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. My hair is very bouncy and flowy right now. I know I don't look like I'm happy, but it's because it's first day hair and I really don't like first day hair because it's too flat. It took me hours and hours and hours and hours. I don't even want to talk about how long it took me because I just kept getting like little things wrong, like because I was trying to remember from what I did the last time I straightened my hair. It hasn't grown much, but I have been cutting my hair as well, so I hope you guys like the video. I'm very tired, so that's why my energy is low. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick 360 of my hair and then I'm gonna go nap. This is the back. Still waist length. The side.